Press your power button twice. We're going to hold. Hey everyone, welcome to Caswell's Kappa. In today's video, we're going to learn how to do an oil life reset or your maintenance reset on the second generation Toyota Highlander. Now let's see how it's done. So to start off, we need to turn on accessory power. Press your power button twice without the brake pedal. If you don't have a button, use your key, put it to accessory power. Your lights and power should come on. With the accessory power on, we're going to hit this button until it says trip A. Then turn your power off. With the power now off, we're going to hold this button down while at the same time turning the power on. When done correctly, you'll get this message. And that's it. You've completed this procedure. Alright, thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out and that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next video. Until then.